Welcome back, class 5. We are going to continue with the question number K. Now here, just do it in an easy manner, okay? You know the table of 2. 2, 4 is 8. You know that? 8. Keep some space, okay? After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. 1 digit plus 1 digit, 2 digit. So, we should have to get... Now what you do? Here, I said after decimal 1 digit, or after 1, that is 2 digit. From back, here 1, 2. So you put it over here. These two multiplication will give you this. Now 0.04, write as it is. Now multiply again. 4, 8 is 32. Okay, 32. After decimal 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, that is 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so see 2 plus 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put decimal. This is your answer. Okay. Here again we are going to do in the same manner. These two will multiply first. 3, 2 is 6. 3, 0, 0. 3, 9 is 27. Carry 2. Okay. 3, 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. After decimal 2 digit plus 2 digit. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got it here decimal. Now again in the same manner we'll keep this number as it is. Now we'll multiply these two. So 5, 6 is 30. Simply multiply the number. Okay. 5, 6 is 30. Carry 3. Carry 3. Then 5, 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 5, 7 is 35. Carry 3. 5 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. We got it. After decimal 4 digit. After decimal 4 digit. That means 8 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. 6, 7, 8. We got it, 8 digit. Now, after that, put 0. So, this is your answer. Like that, here, we'll make the pair, this 2, this 2. We'll multiply in this manner, okay? 3, 2 is 6. We got it, okay? 2 decimal after 1 decimal here. That means altogether 3 place. So, we got it 3 place, okay? Like that. Here, 8, 4 is 32. 3 place. Here also 3 place. That means altogether 6 place. 3, 4, 5, 6 place decimal. We got it. Now 6 and 32 we have to multiply. So 6, 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6, 3 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Carry 1. Then this 6, 0. 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 6, 0, 0. 6, 0, 0. 6, 0, 0. Okay. Again 0. Now we need to count the number of decimal places. So 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places there. 8, 9. After 9 place. This is your answer. Now again we are going to multiply. Leave the 0 part. First multiply with the digit. Okay. 3, 8 is 24. Carry 2. 3, forget about the decimal, okay? Decimal will put it later on. 3, 9 is 27, plus 2 is 29. Carry 2. 3, 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Got it? Now, how many zeros are there? Put it that much zeros. Okay? Then, start with decimal. After decimal 1 place, now from back, put at 1 place. This is your answer. Okay? Now, we are moving towards the next one. Here again, same thing you need to do. Okay. First start with the digit. Okay. 8, 2 is 16. Carry 1. 8, 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Nothing carry. 8, 3 is 24. Carry 2. 8, 7 is 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. Now, how many zeros are there? Put it that zeros. Then, after decimal 2, here from back 2 place. So, your answer is 5,84,960. So this is decimal, this is comma. Okay. Now this is the answer. Like that, we are moving towards question number 2. This is we are talking about question number 2. 63 into it is given 8.7. So we'll get the answer is 548.1. Now we have given several questions. Okay, in all cases this digit will come as it is. Okay, only decimal will move here and there. So let's see in question number A. 6.3 into, we are given 8.7. 8.7. This number will come as it is. Okay, only decimal will change. After decimal 1, after decimal 1, that means 1 place here, 1 place here, that means from 2 place, from back 2 place. This is your answer. Now B. No need to manually multiply, simply use the logic. Number is same, answer will come same, only decimal moves here and there. Okay. Number B, 63 into 87, sorry, 6.3 into 87. So here number will come as it is. Now after decimal 1, from back 1 place. Finish. Now next one is 0.63 into 87. So 5481, this will come after decimal 2 place, here after decimal 2 place. That's it. Number D is here 0.63 into 8.7 is equal to 5481, will get as it is. Only here difference is 2 place plus 1 place, that is from back 3 place. That's it. Number E, in the same manner we have to do 0.63 into 0.87. Now here decimal will be after 4 place, so here 5481 come as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 place, here 2 place, that is 4 place. Decimal appear. If no number in front, you put 0. Number F. So here number F is 6.3 into 0.87. So answer will come 581 as it is. Okay, it will come as it is. Only decimal place. 2 place plus 1, 3 place. It is 3 place. That's it. Number Z. Okay. Number Z is here 0.063 into 8. It is 0.00087. Okay. Now here answer will come this much only, but we have to keep some space out here. 5481. Here after decimal 4 digit, here 3 digit. That means altogether 7 digit. We have only 4 digit. So 5, 6, 7 digit. Okay. So 4 plus 3, 7 digit. 4 plus 3, 7 digit. Decimal is here. No number. Put 0. This is your answer. How you have to